7 months, the fields were green. The rain came on time, and there was no reason to hurry. 7 months we walked real slow, watching all the green things grow. Morning rain had kissed the land, life was growing close at hand. Grandpa smiled beside the gate, there's still plenty of time to wait. The fields were young, the sky was wide, and autumn waited on our side. No need to hurry, no need to run, the work of summer was already done. The earth knew what to do, the rain knew when to fall, and we believed there'd be enough for all. 7 months slow, let the old days flow. Walk beneath the summer sky, watch the little clouds go by. 7 months slow, there was nowhere we had to go. The fields were growing, the river ran, and tomorrow waited in the farmer's hand. After supper by the door, we would talk a little more. Someone laughed, someone would sing, crickets answered everything. A wooden chair, an evening breeze, rice fields moving like the sea. Nothing seemed too rich or poor, we were grateful for the world. Maybe we were not so rich, but we had rain and growing fields. Maybe time was all we had, but time itself was something real. We did not know how precious those days would be. 7 months slow, let the old days flow. Let the summer sunlight shine, let the rain come right on time. 7 months slow, there was faith in what we'd grow. The earth was green, the sky was kind, and autumn waited somewhere down the line. 7 months. Walk slowly. The harvest is coming. 7 months slow. 천천히 가도 괜찮습니다. 들판은 뛰지 않고 구름도 서두르지 않습니다. 7 months I take it slow, watching little green things grow. No need to hurry down the lane. The earth knows when to bring the rain. I used to worry every day, counting every cloud away. But the old folks seem to know some things take their time to grow. So let me walk a little slower, let the morning breeze come through, let the fields decide the rhythm, let the sky do what it knows to do. 7 months a little slower, nothing lost by taking time. Maybe nature has a reason for its own unhurried rhyme. Modern farmers watch the weather, checking every change in sign. One more cloud, another forecast, every minute on their mind. Sometimes I become impatient, running circles in my head. Then I hear the old road whisper, slow down boy, you're not yet late. So let me walk a little slower, let the morning breeze come through, let the fields decide the rhythm, let the sky do what it knows to do. 7 months a little slower, nothing lost by taking time. Maybe nature has a reason for its own unhurried rhyme. We don't need to chase the summer, we don't need to force the rain. A seed beneath the quiet soil doesn't grow from fear or pain. The earth is working underneath us, even when we cannot see. Maybe slow is not a weakness, maybe slow is how we breathe. 7 months I take it slowly, walking underneath the sky. The fields are growing in their silence, and the clouds are passing by. If the rain comes, let it come now. If it waits, I'll wait a while. I'll put down my hurried footsteps and walk the old road with a smile. 7 months slow,
어정어정 걸어도 괜찮습니다. 자연은 아직 우리보다 서두르지 않으니까요.
The rain did not come, but the earth did not stop. Beneath the quiet ground, something was still waiting. No rain upon the fields today, no silver drops upon the leaves. The morning sun moves slowly on across the quiet trees. But underneath the silent soil, the roots are holding on. A hidden world is breathing still, although the rain is gone. The season that waited was never standing still. The roots were reaching deeper, the earth was keeping still. The corn was lifting water through every growing vein. The trees were keeping faith with another passing rain. A little corn beneath the sky still reaches toward the light. Its leaves may feel the summer heat, but life remains inside. The grass may bend beneath the wind, the branches softly sway. Nothing asks the world to hurry, nothing begs the day. The season that waited was never standing still. The roots were reaching deeper, the earth was keeping still. The corn was lifting water through every growing vein. The trees were keeping faith with another passing rain. We think that nothing happens when nothing can be seen. But underneath the quiet earth, 1,000 things have been. A root, a seed, a little life, all waiting in their time. The world is never empty, it is simply out of sight. It's time to grow. The roots will drink the water, the green will rise and show. And when the rain returns again, we may finally understand. The earth was never sleeping, it was working underneath our hands. No need to hurry, The roots know where to go. The season that waited was growing all along. Say, the rain did not come, but the earth did not stop. Beneath the quiet ground, something was still waiting. No rain upon the fields today, no silver drops upon the leaves. The morning sun moves slowly on across the quiet trees. But underneath the silent soil, the roots are holding on. A hidden world is breathing still, although the rain is gone. The season that waited was never standing still. The roots were reaching deeper, the earth was keeping still. The corn was lifting water through every growing vein. The trees were keeping faith with another passing rain. Corn beneath the sky still reaches toward the light. Its leaves may feel the summer heat, but life remains inside. The grass may bend beneath the wind, the branches softly sway. Nothing asks the world to hurry, nothing begs the day. The season that waited was never standing still. The roots were reaching deeper, the earth was keeping still. The corn was lifting water through every growing vein. The trees were keeping faith with another passing rain. We think that nothing happens when nothing can be seen, but underneath the quiet earth 1,000 years have been a root, a seed, a little life, all waiting in their time. The world is never empty, it is simply out of sight. The season that waited will find its time to grow. The roots will drink the water, the green will rise and show. And when the rain returns again, we may finally understand the earth was never sleeping, it was working underneath our hands. No need to hurry, the roots know where to go. The season that waited was growing all along. Looking.
Enfin, la pluie est venue. 마침내 비가 왔습니다. A little rain upon the window, a little silver on the leaves. The earth has waited all summer, and now the morning breeze. No thunder in the distance, no river from the sky, just little drops upon the ground, like golden tears of light. Oh, golden rain, come softly down, touch the thirsty earth, touch every little town. We waited through the summer, we watched the empty sky, and now one drop is precious, like a star that learned to cry. I smell the earth awakening, the quiet soil below. The roots are drinking slowly, where only dry winds blow. A drop upon a blade of grass, another on a tree, so small, so gentle, yet it means so much to me. Oh, golden rain, come softly down, touch the thirsty earth, touch every little town. We waited through the summer, we watched the empty sky, and now one drop is precious, like a star that learned to cry. Pas trop. Pas trop peu. Just enough for the earth to breathe. 너무 많이도 말고 sprinkled upon the land. La pluie tombe doucement. 비가 조용히 내립니다. Et la terre respire. 그리고 대지가 숨을 쉽니다. The golden rain. 마침내 비가 왔습니다. A little rain upon the window, a little silver on the leaves. The earth has waited all summer, and now the morning breeze. No thunder in the distance, no river from the sky, just little drops upon the ground like golden tears of light. Oh, golden rain, come softly down, touch the thirsty earth, touch every little town. We waited through the summer, we watched the empty sky, and now one drop is precious, like a star that learned to cry. I smell the earth awakening, the quiet soil below. Roots are drinking slowly, where only dry winds blow. A drop upon a blade of grass, another on a tree. So small, so gentle, yet it means so much to me. Oh, golden rain, come softly down, touch the thirsty earth, touch every little town. We waited through the summer, we watched the empty sky, and now one drop is precious, like a star that learned to cry. Pas trop peu, just enough for the earth to breathe. 너무 많이도 말고 너무 적기도 말고, 땅이 다시 숨 쉴 만큼만. Oh, golden rain, stay a little while, leave your quiet silver upon the fields we love. We waited through the summer, and now we understand. The smallest drop of water can feel like gold upon the land. La pluie tombe doucement, 비가 조용히 내립니다. Et la terre respire, 그리고 대지가 숨을 쉽니다. The golden rain has finally come.
Let it fall slowly, 천천히 내려오세요. The earth has waited long enough. Don't hurry, little raindrops, you don't have to fill the sky. Just touch the field so gently. Let the thirsty roots drink tonight. The farmer's been watching the heavens, counting every passing cloud. But now he knows the old earth's rhythm, and he doesn't have to shout. Let it fall slowly, let it find its way down into the quiet soil, where the roots have waited all day. No need for thunder, no need for rushing streams, just enough to wake the fields and water tomorrow's dreams. The corn is standing in the garden, the trees are breathing in the rain. A little water on the grass can wash away a summer's pain. I used to watch the weather like a man who had to know, but nature never learned my hurry. She only knows when it's time to grow. Let it fall slowly, let it find its way down into the quiet soil, where the roots have waited all day. No need for thunder, no need for rushing streams, just enough to wake the fields and water tomorrow's dreams. Maybe we have hurried too much, trying to tell the sky what to do. Maybe the earth has always known what we forgot was true. Every seed has its season, every river has its flow, and everything that truly matters takes a little time to grow. So let it fall slowly, don't hurry through the night. Let the rain become the music, let the fields return the light. I'll wait here by the old fence, with the morning coming through. The earth knows how to take the water, and I can learn to wait here too. Let it fall slowly, 천천히 내려오세요. The earth knows what to do. 대징은 자기가 할 일을 알고 있으니까요. Let it fall slowly. 천천히 내려오세요. The earth has waited long enough. You don't have to fill the sky. Just touch the field so gently. Let the thirsty roots drink tonight. The farmer's been watching the heavens, counting every passing cloud. But now he knows the old earth's rhythm, and he doesn't have to shout. Let it fall slowly. Let it find its way down into the quiet soil, where the roots have waited all day. No need for thunder, no need for rushing streams, just enough to wake the fields and water tomorrow's dreams. Corn is standing in the garden, the trees are breathing in the rain. A little water on the grass can wash away a summer's pain. I used to watch the weather like a man who had to know, but nature never learned my hurry. She only knows when it's time to grow. Let it fall slowly. Let it find its way down into the quiet soil, where the roots have waited all day. No need for thunder, no need for rushing streams, just enough to wake the fields and water tomorrow's dreams. Maybe we have hurried too much, trying to tell the sky what to do. Maybe the earth has always known what we forgot was true. Every seed has its season, Every river has its flow, and everything that truly matters takes a little time to grow. So let it fall slowly. Don't hurry through the night. Let the rain become the music. Let the fields return to life. I'll wait here by the old fence with the morning coming through. The earth knows how to take the water, and I can learn to wait here too. Let it fall slowly. 천천히 내려오세요. The earth knows what to do. 대지는 자기가 할 일을 알고 있으니까요.